Hi, friends. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful Monday. I'm going to jump right in to what we have lined up for today. Let's see here. First, we have our good morning message. After that, we have announcements. Make sure to check in so I can see how you're doing, especially if you have questions for me so I can see that. Next, for reading, we're still talking about topic, main idea, and details, and we get to do that today by reading The Tower of London. Now, this article has test written right before it. It's not a test. It's just the ending of this packet. It would be a test if we were in school, but since we're not, it's just going to be like our normal reading. We'll read through that, answer the questions. For a bonus, we have a tour of the Tower of London video down here if you would like to see that as well. And our question for our checkpoint today is the same that was on our question sheet right here. It asked, what was the main idea of paragraph 2 of the Tower of London? So I'd make sure to look at paragraph 2. I'd look for that second indent, 1, 2. I'd read that second paragraph again and think, what is the main idea of just that paragraph? And answer that here, or speak using that recording tool that we talked about yesterday. For writing, we're still working on our informational writing. We're talking about planning today, planning out our writing and making a plan before just jumping right into it. Understanding how to organize our writing before just jumping into it. For spelling today, we get to talk about some vowel patterns. O-I, O-Y, and AU and AW, which we've talked about AU and AW before, but we haven't really talked about OI and OY. So we have a pattern sorting sheet. So you're going to use colors to group spelling patterns together. For example, color all the OY or OI sounds green. Maybe I'd color joyful in green. Also, there's an Alpha Blocks video here on those oi sounds, and we've seen Alpha Blocks before. So if you'd like, you can click on that and learn a bit about those vowel patterns we're going to be working on. After that, we have our drawing club for Google Hangout. If you'd like to bring a piece of paper with you to Google Hangout today, you can do that and join us in our drawing endeavors. For science today, we're going to jump in to why do frogs say ribbit? This is another mystery science lesson. So it's split up between multiple days. This is day 1. So we're just doing the exploration videos, and that's a 3-part video. Exploration videos 1 through 3 today. For our checkpoint, it says, why are frogs so noisy? Why do they make sounds? The answer to this does not need to be correct. It just needs to be what your thought process is. What are you thinking about for that answer? And this is an answer that's posed in our mystery science video. So when you watch that, you'll have a better idea of what you could say to this prompt. For specials today, we have PE. And then for math, we have our activity of the day. It'll be different than yesterday, so you can click right there and it'll take you to a different math activity for the day. And then after that, you can click on this link here, and it'll take you to ABC Ya. And I'm going to choose the red color. And I'm going to color all the multiples of 2 red. So any number I can count by 2s with, I'm going to color red. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, all the way down. Next, I'm coloring the 5s blue. So I'm going to pick a blue here. I like this light blue. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I'm going to pick anything that counts by 10s, green. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, all the way down throughout the chart. After that, you'll have a checkpoint question that asks, list all the numbers you colored green. And so you'll list all those numbers there. For a read aloud today, I hope you enjoy it. It is Orion and the Dark. I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. Bye, friends.